In this video, we're actually going to record an audio file and then put it on a web page. So if you have a file, you can click this button to load an existing file. If you want to record a new file, you just click on this and then you just click record. This is a video that shows how to install audio on a web page. I just want to play that back real quick to make sure it works. Alright, it works. Let's push next. Here you can actually check this box and put in background music if you want it. And then you can program this to put the loop lead time in, how long you want the loop to play before it goes down, the volume goes down for it, and then you start talking. So you can just check that box and click that. And then you can push the loop just to make sure that's the loop you want. And then here you would put, you could fade up the background loop or fade out the background loop at the end time. And push next. This actually creates your buttons for you. You can choose 3 buttons or 1 button like that. For this one we'll just do 3, and then this right here controls how big you want it and how tall you want it. You can make that as big or small as you want. We'll just leave it there. And then here you would change your colors to whatever color you wanted. And we'll just move it back to the yellow, and then you just push next once you get that like you want it. Now this box, you could check this box if you wanted the audio to start playing automatically once somebody gets on the web page. Or for this, you could actually send them to a URL after the audio plays to maybe your affiliate product or whatever you're selling. And we're not going to put anything here for this example, so we'll just push next. Now here's the actual audio. We'll just play it to make sure it works properly. Okay, that all works good. Now we'll just push next. Here we'll just name the project. We'll just call this audio. And it automatically makes a folder for you on your desktop. If you want to change that folder, you can. Otherwise, just push Save All. Okay, on this page, you'll just actually copy this JavaScript and save it to a notepad. And then we can close that out, and now we can actually embed it on the web page. Okay, now we're inside our web page. This is Dreamweaver in case you wanted to know what I'm using to do my websites with. Here I just wrote in a generic headline for what we're doing. Okay, now I'll space down a little bit. Now we'll actually, where you see this blinking arrow, or this cursor, we'll actually embed our JavaScript. Okay, now you need to look at this JavaScript because I'm going to tell you why. Whatever this JavaScript code line is, you have to match this when you upload it to your FTP. So if it says audio/impactwebaudio.js, what you're going to have to do is create a file to upload to your FTP called audio, and we're going to do that now. So just save this page and then we'll upload to the FTP. Okay, now we're inside our FTP. This is cPanel, so whatever domain that you're going to put this file on is what you need to log into. So you just click on the www. Okay, now we're ready to upload. If you remember, I told you that you needed to make the name of the folder audio. Whenever you made the clip, it automatically put it in this file, Impact Web Audio. So if you just double click on that, you see the audio file right here. So this is the file that you need to upload. Don't upload all the file where it says Web Impact Audio or Impact Web Audio. Just double click on the original file, which is the this one here. Let me scroll down again. Which is the Impact Web Audio. Just double click on that, and then here's your audio file. This is the folder that you need to upload. Okay, now we've uploaded the file. Sometimes if you like with Windows Vista, sometimes certain FTPs they don't upload it properly. So what you want to do is click on this audio file, and to match everything on both sides to make sure all the files loaded up. You see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files on this side and 5 files on this side, so everything loaded properly. So now we just want to queue up our web page and see if everything's working right. One thing I wanted to point out real quick, you also have to load up the audio file that you made with Dreamweaver. I just want to make sure that you knew that. Okay, that's loaded now. We'll queue up our web page. Okay, now you can see our web page here, our audio.hotmail, and it shows your headline and then your buttons. You just want to click on that and make sure it works. Alright, everything is working great, and that's how you install audio on your web page.